of course, Barbie and I talk about it. And then i-explain ko sa kanya the story, the concept of the movie. And if may scenes na ganun, I even talk to Direk about it kung bakit siya kailangan. How am I handling it? Well, it's not that difficult din naman. Siguro due to the quarantine and everything that's happening and lockdown pa rin. Wala naman ako ibang ginagawa eh. So
Movies lang ata.
it's basketball lang and this working out and then shooting film. So I'm glad na I'm more focused on what I'm doing. At saka di siya mahirap pero minsan nakakalito, like kami ni Direk, we were talking about it lang kanina na ayoko muna basahin yung susunod na script kasi sometimes nakakalito eh. You're supposed to be this person and then you're thinking of being this other person already in advance. Yun lang if ever na yung difficulty na I come across. Pero everything else, I like it. I like being busy. It's good. I think it's a good thing for me. For me, I'd rather be busy doing a lot of things rather than parang stagnant lang sa bahay lang and then wala akong nagagawa. Like nung March, nagka-COVID ako. I wasn't able to tape and I hated it. I hated being stuck inside four walls and not being able to do anything. So na-enjoy ko po yung process. To answer your question, yan. It's fun for me. Hindi siya mahirap.
Matutuloy ba this year yung movie nyo ni Barbie?
Next week na!
Oh, wow, great.
Pinag-uusapan namin. And parati naman, like what Direk just explained, parati naman kasi siya, it's called for by the character. So, okay, I'll answer it and I'll try and answer it quickly. Of course, Barbie and I talk about it. And then i-explain ko sa kanya the story, the concept of the movie. And if may scenes na ganun, I even talk to Direk about it kung bakit siya kailangan. Like I shot yung Becky's on the Run when I shot that with Direk Joel. So because Direk, do we really need to have like a intense love scene? And sabi niya, ano ba yung character mo dito? Di ba mahirap ka? Di ba lumaki ka sa street, sa kalye? Sa tingin mo, hindi ba siya passionate mag-make love? Na bihira lang siya nakakuha ng babae, na eto pa yung babaeng nakuha niya, si Kylie. You don't think na parang may ganun yung lovemaking ninyo? Sabi ko, okay, so that makes sense. It's called for from the script and it makes sense naman yung characters ganun. So now how Barbie and I deal with it is, kinakwento namin, of course, lahat naman nadadaan sa maayos na usapan eh. So if we're open to one another, if she's not comfortable, sasabihin ko rin. If I'm not comfortable with something also that she's gonna do, sinasabi ko rin naman sa kanya. So open. Kailangan laging may magandang conversation. Open to an extent. Oo naman. That's her job. That's her profession. Alam ko naman nung pinasukan ko tong relationship na to na if there's anyone who's gonna understand our situations, it's gonna be the both of us kasi pareho naman kaming artista eh. So may professionalism that comes with it naman na naiintindihan ko. Pero sometimes kasi showbiz is a small world and things can get personal. So yun pa rin, we still talk about it. That's the most important thing eh. It could be something na she doesn't know and I'm uncomfortable with. I'll tell her about it para aware siya. And like the same way naman with her and me, her about my projects.